Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2024 Coachmen Chaparral 298RLS fifth wheel. This is a triple slide out rear living room couples coach. We're going to take a few minutes to walk you through the inside and outside of this RV, kind of show you what this thing's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the brand new 2024 Chaparral 298RLS fifth wheel here. As you've seen on the floor plan that was up, this is again triple slide rear living room setup. So first things up, let's start here in the back. We have a flip out sofa. So this sofa will flip out, make into a nice sized bed, so you could sleep a couple adults back here. You have electric outlet USB charger ports on both sides of the little armrest there. You have nice big windows back here, all three of those windows open, and some overhead cabinet space as well. So a pretty deep little area right there. Now you do have a theater seat facing straight at your TV entertainment area. Nice big window behind you there, and that also opens. The windows are currently using a thicker nightshade here to kind of black out some stuff. There is also a little flip-up storage thing here. Now right across from your theater seat here, you're going to have your TV. So you got 36-inch electric fireplace, sound bar by Furrion. There is, again, Hisense TV right there, and a nice easy view here to kick back and recline at. And even when you're looking this direction, you still got your big window on either side there, so you can kind of see what's going on outside around your campsite area as well if you need to. You have a 4-chair dinette system here. There's a little bit of storage in the seat area of those chairs, but it is a table that is attached to the wall, so there's no leg coming down in the middle to bump your knee on. Those big windows there also open. Island kitchen setup here. There is a propane leak detector and an electric outlet on this side. It does have really nice solid surface countertops. And it also has matching sink covers as well. High-rise sprayer faucet here. And a large undermount sink. There are multiple drawers and also storage in that area as well. Now over here, you're going to have your large Furrion refrigerator. So you do have freezer on one side, refrigerator on the other. But a nice setup here for these 12-volt refrigerators. And then you have a good-sized drawer down below the oven. It's a Greystone oven, glass front, light inside, 3-burner cooktop. There's a little window behind that, but that window does not open. And then you have a High Point microwave, which is a large microwave. And right here, we got our pantry area here. Electric outlet in there as well, in case you need to plug anything in and set it inside there. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down here. And then you do have, again, full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. Little storage up here, but they also hide a few light switches in there as well. And on the side here, you're going to have your control panel here for your slides, your awning, some lights, along with the water pump, monitor panel, 12-volt tank heaters for your holding tanks if you're going to camp in colder weather. Down below there is your fire extinguisher. You do have a window in your entry exit door here, and that is Lippert thin shade ready, so there's an aftermarket shade you could buy for that. You have little return vents down there, motion light down there again. Right up here, you're going to have your controls for your ACs and your furnace. Light switch here. Looking up, you have your smoke detector, and also where that blue sticker is right there, that is pre-wire for the Gateway Connect. This has the Winegard Air 360 Plus antenna on it, and you can buy the Gateway Connect aftermarket and subscribe to like Verizon Internet and bring a Wi-Fi internet system with you. So right here, we're going to have our bathroom area. You have porcelain foot flush toilet right there. Little area back here for towels and linens and stuff. The controls for your on-demand water heater right here. There is a vent up there as well. AC duct in there. Glassed-in shower, sit-down seat. Some storage down below. Little medicine cabinet area here. Now, they actually use a pretty nice heavy-duty sink there as well. Sliding door for privacy. There's a motion light in the bathroom as well. Going forward a little further here, we're going to have our bathroom area. Our bedroom area, not our bathroom area. We just left the bathroom. All right, so we got a camper queen bed here. Now this bed will raise up, so there is storage underneath it here. There is a window on each side, and that will open. There's a little shelf space up there. There's an electric outlet up there as well. You can see that second AC there. Big closet here. Now you can do a combo washer dryer or a washer dryer on either side. Some more shelf space up there. But a decent amount of room to maneuver around up here. Quite a few drawers. Little flip up hidden area under here. TV hookups up there as well, so you could do a small TV in here. But overall, a pretty nice mid-size fifth wheel here. All right, we're going to head back outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2024 Chaparral 298RLS fifth wheel here. We're going to start here on the door side, and we will work our way around for you. So first things up, we have a white fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall that is attached to the upgraded Azdel composite material instead of the cheaper wood Luan backer. You have a lower black metal skirting along the bottom. You have some vinyl decals. You have deep tint safety glass windows on the RV. Behind the first small door right here is one of your two 30-pound propane tanks. You got one on each side. You have two speakers over here, so you can listen to some music outside on a good day. Pass-through storage area right here. There's electric outlet in here, a light over on this side and the other side. The baggage door is held up by magnetic holders instead of the cheaper plastic clips, and it is a slam lock baggage door, handles. You have the Lippert solid entry step here. These have adjustable feet on them. They're rated for 400 pounds, so a little heavier duty than the traditional hover style step. You have the large folding entry handle there to help you get in and out of the RV. You do have the window again in that RV door there that is Lippert thin shade ready, so there's an aftermarket shade you can buy for that. Electric outlet here, and then you are also prepped for side cameras by Furrion and also on the back. You'll see a couple little advertisements here talking about the Azdel on board and the enclosed underbelly weather shield protection. Dexter axle upgrade as well. Little advertisement there talking about it's equipped with solar and then also Wi-Fi capable as an upgrade that you can do. Down here, you have two axles, drum brakes, aluminum wheels, easy lube hubs. You also had that road armor suspension upgrade there in the center. Kind of acts like shock absorbers for RVs. You can see this one was also ordered with the 4-point electric auto level jack system. So you have 2 jacks here in the back. Also see the spare tire underneath of there. And then you have 2 jacks in the front with the quick pull pins. But it is a 4-point auto level system. Right here, you're going to have kind of a little outdoor kitchen area if you want to use it for that. You have a little workstation, little drawer setup here. You could do a little grill setup, electric outlet. There are TV hookups here, so you could maybe mount your TV out here if you wanted. And you have your little mini fridge. Now there is a gas line hookup, so if you do some sort of grill, right down here is where you would actually plug into the gas system. Going on around to the back, you have a traditional RV ladder on the back. Those are rated for 250 pounds. Again, in that top center area right there, it is prepped for that Furrion rear observation camera. Nice feature to add aftermarket. Has a little 2-inch hitch on the back that is basically used for bike rack. It is not meant for towing anything with. Now just kind of climbing up here so you can check out your roof. But checking out the roof up here, you can see things. Again, this was ordered with a solar panel on the roof, 2 Furrion air conditioners here. You have like your little skylight up there. There's a roof vent, plumbing stack vents, the TV antenna over here. So quite a few things up here that you do have to get up here from time to time and inspect your seams and your seals and all that type of stuff to make sure things are nice and tidy and sealed up. You don't want any type of water leaks or anything like that on any RV. So very important to get up here from time to time and inspect your roof. Wash it every once in a while is not a bad idea either. That way you just kind of keep it clean. Going on around to this side here, you can see there is a stove exhaust up above the little window there. Down here, just in front of your slide, is where you're dumping your tanks right here. So this is your little dump area. You have a light here. Now the handles are going to be right over here in the docking station. We'll check that out here in a second. But you can see you have your detachable 50 amp power cord right here. Furrion on-demand water heater. Furnace exhausting out right here as well. This side of the storage area, you have a swing door instead of a raise up and down door. So you're going to have things like a little winterizing hose here, hot and cold outside utility shower. You're going to hook your water up here and then send it where you want it to go by these valves. Cable satellite inlets, light switch, water pump switch, black tank flush. You have your 3 waste tanks. You have an electric outlet over here and another light over here as well. Battery disconnect right here, auto level jack controls right here as well. The other 30-pound propane tank right here with the auto changeover regulator back in there. And then you're going to have some important informational stickers right here. So first things up, we have our production date sticker. This unit was built 2/20 of 24, model number 298RLS. Gross vehicle weight, 12,000 pounds. It's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Don't exceed that number. You have your unloaded vehicle weight sticker right here telling us it's 9,826 pounds when it rolled off the assembly line with these options. Exterior length, 34 feet, 8 inches. There is a little hitch light down here and some more storage here as well, along with some of the guts of the RV, the battery compartment, charge controller for solar, auto level jack brain box, some of that type of stuff, all right there. Step back here so you can kind of see down this whole side a little bit better here. Now you'll notice that unlike some of the other fifth wheels that I've videoed a lot of, the real big heavy duty ones, you know, your rear roof kind of slopes down a little bit and the front kind of slopes a little more as well. Just trying to make it a little more aerodynamic in the front, but also kind of saving a little bit of weight by bringing the ceiling height down in the rear. On the front end, you're going to have a nice heavy-duty fiberglass front shell. Kind of bubbles out a little bit and again kind of slopes down, trying to be a little bit more aerodynamic. You have multiple LED lights in the front of this thing, so 3 white strips, and then you got 2 blue ones just above your hitch right here as well. But a very nice, affordable fifth wheel here. Now we're going to step back inside. I want to show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are back up inside the new 2024 Chaparral 298RLS. And I just wanted to show you real quick what it looks like closed. So I went ahead and closed up 2 of the 3 slides for you to speed this part up. But you kind of get the idea here. It does come in very, very close to your furniture and your island and stuff. So you got to make sure everything is swept up and tidied up and closed up so that everything fits like it's supposed to and nothing gets damaged. So going on up into the bedroom area here, you can see the door swings toward us so it doesn't interfere with the bed or anything. So we could still come up here even when it's closed up. I could come up here, lay down, take a nap, climb over my bed, get to my closet if I really had to. You are not really getting into the dresser part unless you open up the slide. But I still have full access to my bathroom and my bedroom. When you are ready to close things up, you again have to come back to your monitor panel setup here and control your slides here. Let's bring in the big one here so you can kind of see what this looks like. These are 12-volt powered slides, so you basically just push a button and they come in and out. You do have little sweeper gaskets and stuff on them that help kind of squeegee them off and clean them off as they come in. So you hear a little bit of creaking and popping and stuff as things move around. But very important to make sure, again, that your floor is clean and everything is closed up. So you can see here when it's closed, it's pretty snug. I could still come in here and get to my sink area if I wanted to, but I'm not getting into my fridge. I'm gonna have to bump out that refrigerator slide to load something in there if I want to. I'm not really climbing over my counter to get to the back, but it only takes a few seconds here just to bump out one of these slides to access the area back there if you need to. And when you go back out, you just hit the button and it takes it right on back out. You can kind of see here a little bit those little rubber sweeper gaskets and seals and stuff. But they kind of flip inward or outward depending on which way the slide's going. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. Greatly appreciated. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you don't mind, please remember to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money.